Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Ships and Port. Today's news is Maersk mega container ship troubled in Suez Canal southbound 13,000 TEU container ship Maersk Emerald reportedly suffered mechanical malfunction and ran aground in Suez Canal in the morning May 28 according to her track. She was refloated with workboats assistance, and taken to Great Bitter Lake, where she was anchored in the afternoon. Understood crew fixed the problem. The ship resumed transit. As of 17:30 UTC May 28 she was exiting lake area. The ship is en route from Tanger to Salalah, Oman. Container ship Maersk Emerald, EMO 9502910, DWT 140,973, capacity 13,092 TEU, built 2012, flag Singapore, manager Maersk. If you like this video, do share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.